Hey guys, welcome to the Mymesh Management System. Today we're going to show you how it works and how simple it is to actually set a calendar. So what you see here is the domain mms.mymesh.nl. And as you can see, my email address is already filled in and my passport as well. So let's log in. Here you can see on the left side which installations are mine. So I have an authorized account for only the chess headquarters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the chess headquarters and I'm going to calendar. As you can see here the location, the address of the chess headquarters, and you can clearly see it on the map as well. So when we go to calendar, here you can see the month of October. Today it's the 11th of October, and for tomorrow I want to set a certain schedule. So I'm going to click on the 12th of October, and what I see here are a few set points. So the first set point is the group. I need to select groups within my building. In practice, this means that I have to select certain rooms. So let's say that we want to change something in the meeting room or in all the meeting rooms. Let's do all the meeting rooms. So as you can clearly see, I selected all the meeting rooms, and now I need to select a scene. So there are certain scenes that are already active that we've used in the past. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to create a new one. So we're going to call it weekend. I don't know, just be creative. So then what you can see is we're going to start a time schedule. So every day starts at 12 o'clock. And you can see here all the different control options. So level means that you can set a certain light intensity. Automatic means that you're giving control back to the building and to the sensors within that building. And 4 levels was specifically designed for the horticulture. And unless you have very professional specific lighting, I do not recommend you use it. So let's say for demonstration purposes that we're going to switch on the lighting to 75% at 9 o'clock. So we keep it at 0. We're going to 9 o'clock and we're going to switch it to 75%. Then around noon, we're going to dim back to 20%, and then around 5 we're going to switch off all lights within those meeting rooms. Then we're going to save that schedule. You clearly get it back, so you can revise your schedule if you want to. You can delete it, or you can select it. As you can see, it's already added to the column on the left side. And we're going to select it. So now, do I want this for the Saturday alone? Well, we're going to do it for Sunday too. We're going to save the settings, and then this is very important. You need to activate the schedule. You do that by clicking on the pink button, and now it's activated. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.